Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today is super weird. Straight up with you, I sold the Speed 3. I'm meeting up with them tomorrow night or Saturday morning. Yeah, it's probably maybe a little bit unexpected for you guys because well, maybe not. You would know because I haven't posted very much, but you'd also be unexpected because I didn't talk about it ever. I just decided to put it up online. I didn't think I'd get what I wanted for it, and I did, and I'm really happy about that. The new owner is really excited about everything I did on this car. I'm super happy for them. They'll love this thing just as much as I did. But being with my new job, I can afford a 2015 or newer Subaru WRX STI, and that is the car that I have wanted way before the Speed 3. I only bought the Speed 3 because I couldn't afford it right out of high school, and I drove this thing for the last 2.5 or so years, and it's taught me everything I know about cars, and I freaking love it to death. It has a special place in my heart forever. But you know, I think it's time to move on, start over, and the audience for Subarus is so big compared to Speed 3s. I feel like the Speed 3s are dwindling. Like, you know, they're all getting a ton of miles on them. They don't make them anymore. Like, they're hard to come by. So, you know, I think for this channel, is for the sake of it growing and me being able to do this more often, you know, showing you how to install parts, do different things on the cars, blah blah blah, everything cars. I need something with a bigger audience. So this is a double whammy. I get my dream car, and I think it'll stunt the YouTube channel growth. So I'm super excited. If you're on deck, I hope you are. And you know, if you drive a Speed 3, I'm sorry, but I hope you can enjoy the Subaru content, because I don't know who doesn't like Subaru content. It's all fun. Like, I want one that blows flames. I want to do wide body, maybe a big wing eventually. So, you know, just stay on board. I'm super excited. I hope you guys can understand the change, and let me know in the comments what you think. But super sad. I'm gonna miss this car. We'll just take one last look. This is the best view right here. Just, oh, this is my favorite part about the car. Got it all clean for the new owner. I'm super excited for them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully with the Subaru, my dream car. And yeah, later.